Okay, let's try proving this identity here. You're looking up here. We're going to try and prove that the left-hand side here, tangent theta plus cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta equals 1 over cosine theta. Well, we start with one of the sides, the more complicated side, and then what do? We say the left-hand side equals, and the first thing we do is tangent is sine over cosine. So that's how we get started. We get a mark just for our basic identity. A tangent theta is the same as sine theta over cos theta. Now it's a matter of fractions. We go cos theta times 1 plus sine theta. When you're adding two fractions, if you multiply the denominators together, you'll get a common denominator. Now 1 plus sine times sine is sine squared plus sine. Now I'm not going to multiply the bottom out because I noticed something pretty interesting. First, I want just cosine to be by itself to get my answer. So the top must be 1 plus sine theta because it cancels. It's disappeared here. So, oh yes, our second identity, sine squared plus cos squared, it really equals 1. Now 1 plus sine theta on the top, 1 plus sine theta on the bottom, anything divided by itself is equal to 1. So we get 1 over cosine theta. And what does that equal? That equals the right-hand side. So that's the form they want you to put things in. Now, write down one value of theta for which is between 0 and 180 degrees, for which it would be undefined, this function. Okay, the identity is undefined. Well, cosine theta right there, if that is 0, or sine over cos, if cosine's right there, if it equals 0, things are very bad. They're undefined. Well, what is it? What is the cosine of what is 0? Well, isn't it the cosine of 90 degrees? Try it on your calculator. You should know. The cosine of 0 is 1. The cosine of 90 degrees is 0. So that's when it's undefined, when theta is 90 degrees, because that will make it 1 divided by 0, and that's just undefined. So there you go.